welcome back to the Stay Flexi podcast. Today's episode is going to be a little different, slightly chaotic, and hopefully very fun.
Yeah, because today I don't know what she is going to ask me, and apparently I'm supposed to guess if something is a myth or a truth.
Yeah, and she's very confident about being confidently wrong sometimes.
Listen, confidence is a skill.
Anyway, today we are doing 10 myths from the hospitality industry and we are going to clear them out in the most simplest, funniest way possible and also drop a few useful insights in between.
So, if you're a hotel owner, a manager, or someone who's tired of guests asking for early check-in at 6 a.m., then this one's for you.
Okay, so myth number 1. Guests always book months in advance. Myth or truth?
Sounds like it should be true. People plan in advance, right?
Maybe before 2020. Pre-COVID, yes. People used to book months ahead like responsible adults.
Oh yeah, true, that phase.
But post-COVID, no. Everyone is a last-minute superhero now.
Same, even I booked like 2 days before.
And that's literally how market works now. A huge chunk of bookings, especially business travelers, come in the last 48 to 72 hours.
Which also explains why hotels suddenly panic on weekdays.
Exactly. And that's why real-time inventory, pricing tools, Flexi AI, channel sync, all of that matters. You can't predict demand anymore. You have to react to it.
Okay, fine, that actually makes sense.
Myth number 2. Business travelers only care about convenience, not the room.
Myth for sure. Everyone cares about interiors now.
Yes, cozy rooms, good lighting, fast check-ins. Business guests are basically influencers now.
Yes, they judge room harder than I judge fruits in the supermarket.
Myth 3. Family only look for the cheapest rooms.
That's a myth. Families just want space and more space.
Correct. They care about space, cleanliness and smooth check-ins way more than price.
Which is why 2 BHK units, dining corners, bigger rooms, all of that works so well.
Yup. And thoughtful interiors like plants, rounded furniture and cozy rooms make a big difference.
Yes.
Myth 4. Guests only check reviews on OTAs.
That's a false. People stalk like crazy.
Exactly. They check Google reviews, booking engine reviews, Instagram mentions as well.
Guests are basically detectives.
That's why AI-based review summaries help staff so much. You don't have to dig through paragraphs. So far you're doing good. Let's see if you can get myth 5 right. Self-check-ins feel cold and robotic.
That's a myth. People just don't like waiting.
Correct. Guests actually prefer quick self-check-ins. Something like Magic Link saves a lot of their time and reduces awkward lobby moments.
And staff can actually be more hospitable instead of being stuck in paperwork.
Very right. Okay, 5 done. You actually did so well.
I know, please clap.
Relax.
Actually, I want to ask you something.
What? What did I do?
You said I'll be so confidently wrong. Now I want to check your confidence.
This is going to go really bad.
Okay, Miss Shobita. Myth number 1. Guests don't read property policies at all.
I think that's half true because guests don't really read everything, but they always check 2 things.
Early check-ins and cancellations?
Yes. Our universal trauma.
Yeah, guests at 6 a.m. be like, hi, early check-in.
Every hotel staff alarms clock.
Myth number 2. Guests don't care about add-ons or upgrades.
Myth because everybody loves options.
Correct. Especially when you offer it at the right time.
30 to 40% of guests pick an add-on if it pops up naturally. Like when they get Magic Link.
Yes, like quite revenue booster. Okay, myth number 3. OTA guests can never become direct bookings.
Myth again. Of course they can.
Yes, with good post-stay engagement and a smooth booking engine, they switch so easily.
GHL literally makes the whole flow frictionless.
Myth number 4. Only luxury hotels need beautiful interiors.
Myth again. Design is for everyone, right?
Yes. Even mid-scale hotels get higher reviews when the rooms feel cozy and decluttered.
Exactly. That 2 BHK home we visited, simple teak furniture, white walls, cute art, looked premium without being expensive.
Hotels underestimate the power of clean decor. Myth number 5. Guests don't want to talk to staff anymore.
Myth again. Guests want kind staff and they want somebody who are actually interactive.
Exactly. They want warm, friendly humans and not delays.
Which is exactly why Stay Flexi is built like, let tech do the mundane, let humans do the hospitality.
Oh, we should trademark this line.
And that was our 10 myth challenge. 5 asked by me.
And 5 hours by me.
Surprisingly, both of us survived, right?
Yes, and hopefully cleared a few hospitality misconceptions along the way.
We wanted this to be fun, but also genuinely helpful for anyone running a hotel.
So let us know which myth surprised you the most.
And before we wrap up,
If you are ready to upgrade to an easy, modern, all-in-one PMS powered by AI,
just visit stayflexi.com.
thanks for listening to the Stay Flexi podcast.
Until next time, stay flexible.